Alright gang, welcome back to John's apartment here. I was looking over my acorns, and when I was researching acorns, it could have been summed up real simple for me. If you look at these red acorns, like these little ones I can't wait to grow, or these big black acorns for a black oak, or this Scarlet Oak, the red oak family has like a scales like a reptile or like a dragon, whereas the white oak family has this like broken up pattern on top of it, like a bunch of little buds, little rough the caps all have that kind of broke up looking compared to facing down. That would help me out. So there you go. These are very cool looking.